Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cookies in Telegram web browser. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Telegram, then you tap on the gear button, then you scroll down a little bit, then you click on data and storage, then you scroll down a little, then under the other option you click on open links in. You click on open links in, you tap on it. Then right here you have the option where you can click, where you can clear the cookies for all Telegram in apps browser. So right now I actually have two Telegram app browser, which is Telegram itself, then Safari. So I'm just going to clear the cookies for the two app. So I'm just going to click on this, which is for the Telegram, clear. Then I'll tap for Safari, but currently there's no cookies for the Safari, so I only have for the Telegram. So I'm just going to click and clear it, and that is how to clear cookies or delete all cookies in Telegram app browser. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.